Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking all about my travel tips and tricks as far as packing your toiletries and makeup goes. So I'm just going to get right into the video. So I have some tips as far as like how to pack, good things that are great for travel packing, and especially thinking about my traveling coming up as to how I want to pack. So I'm going to start with makeup. First thing I would like to say as far as makeup goes is every time I travel, I end up wearing way less makeup than I pack. So this year I am learning from that and I'm going to pack way less. One of the ways that I'm packing less is by bringing multi-use products, something that's compact. So this is definitely going to come with me on all of my traveling this year. I mentioned this in my favorites video. It's the Pretty in the USA Benefit palette and it has a bronzer, blush, and highlight in this, and I can use the highlight and the blush as eyeshadow if I want to. I can definitely use the highlight in my crease and my brow bone. I do that already today, so I know this is a great multi-use product that's also compact that I will be taking with me on my trips. Another great palette is this Toiletries palette. This is so small, but you get 6 eyeshadows and they are all neutrals and they are great shades to travel with. If I want to like spice up my eyes, I know that this literally has everything that I would need. Another product that also goes into my next point would be taking liquids instead of like balms or things that can melt, because you never know, like especially if you're going on an airplane and your luggage gets really hot, you never know what's going to melt. So I like to stick with liquids as opposed to things that would melt. So as far as lipsticks go and things like that, it'll be liquids. But this is a liquid eyeshadow actually, and this I mentioned in my favorites video as well, and it's perfect because it's a one and done type thing. It definitely amps up your eyeshadow. It's super simple, great for traveling, great for summertime, so I will definitely be taking this on my travels. As far as another liquid goes, I will definitely be taking like liquid lipsticks, liquid as a concealer and powder. I don't need to have like a stick foundation, anything like that. I just will be staying away from, and I will be staying simple and on liquid. Another tip I have as far as packing your makeup products goes would be to go on Amazon and get some of these things, which are little tiny, and this one comes in all different sizes. I'll link the exact one I bought below because there's so many different options, but they're little tiny containers like this. So I will like pump some of my favorite primer into this and take this instead if I'm going on like a week trip or whatever, because I'll just use what's in here and then I don't have to take the big primer or the big foundation or whatever. I will just pump some into here. There's a lot of different sizes of these. There's different colors. You can mix and match. You can do powder even in these. These are just so nice to have for travel because it's going to make your packing a lot lighter. And if you don't know what's in it and you think you'll get confused, you can also put some washi tape on the lid and label it. The one I got comes with these little applicators, so I will definitely be like bringing one of these if I want to be super sanitary as well. There's a few different ones, but yeah, there's just like, I think you get like 12 different ones in here, and it's great to have. It's not that expensive, and it's going to make packing for traveling super easy and simple. So I really like that for like anything skincare related, even makeup related. It's just going to save you a lot of space. Another thing I think is awesome, and I know this is like super loud, but I know you can buy like the travel size containers and you can put your shampoo and conditioner in them, but these take it a little bit of a step further, and I got these on Amazon, and I love this little mesh bag. You can totally like reuse this bag, which is awesome. But these I actually will link. I got these on Amazon as well, and there's 4 in here and they're all different colors, and these are so cool because they have suction cups on the back and this little thing on the inside where you can twist it and it'll say like shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, body wash. You can twist it to what it is so you know what's in your thing, so you don't get it confused. Like Josh and I can both have our shampoos in these, and I know that mine's pink and his is blue or something, and there's suction cups. You can stick it right on the wall of the bathtub, which is great, especially for like traveling and not having anywhere to put your stuff. I know for us, we're going on a cruise this summer, and cruise ship rooms are very small, and bathrooms are even smaller on cruise ships, especially the showers. So this is going to save a lot of space and help us be able to just like get to our stuff easier. And this package comes with this little scrubber thing, which is super cute, super cool and nice. So I would definitely link that. There's a ton of different kinds of ones with suctions even. I'll just link the ones that I got though down below, so that's great as well. Something else that I do before I even think about, okay, what do I need to get for a trip? Like, do I need to get a new dry shampoo or whatever? I always like to get the mini one that I use, which is the Batiste dry shampoo. They sell them in minis now at Target. They're like $2.50, and this is for the brown haired people like myself. Favorite one, I use it all the time, so I definitely pick up a new one of these when I need it because I use this stuff all the time on vacations. Before I pick up those things that I need, I have this basket that I keep in my bathroom, and it literally has all of the travel size things that I've collected over the years. Like, I have an old one of these. I have a toothpaste from when I went to the dentist. I just put it in here because they always give you the mini size. Just like different things from Sephora play bags or gifts that I've gotten over the years, bottles of like contact solution and lotions, whatever it is that's mini, I keep in here, and I always go to this first to make sure that I don't overbuy things. So that's nice to keep in your bathroom so that you always can just add to it if you have extras of something. If you go to a hotel and you really liked their shampoo and conditioner, so you take the extras, you can put them in there, then you'll have them for trips in the future. But I always go to that first to make sure that I don't overbuy extra like travel size things because they can add up. Another thing that I like to have, which I just bought new ones of, is travel toothbrushes. I use an electric toothbrush. It's bulky. It's not something I like to travel with, so when it comes to traveling, I will just, suck it up and use a regular toothbrush for the week. And these are nice because they bend into themselves. I got one for Josh and one for myself. Another thing I have is Tide to Go pens. When you're on vacation, sometimes you don't have access to like a laundry machine. I mean, if you get like a stain, I'm so prone to spilling stuff on myself. It's ridiculous. If you get like a stain on you and you're like, oh my gosh, I don't want that to sit there for the entire week I'm on vacation and I can't get to it, I can't wash it out. Tide to Go pens are great. They'll get the stain out at least most of the way. A lot of times it gets it out all the way for me, but they will definitely help with whatever stain you have, especially if you were planning on like reusing, I don't know, a pair of jean shorts and you like spilled, some ketchup on it or something, I don't know, whatever. But this will help with that, and it'll be able to wear those shorts again before you can get to a laundry machine to actually wash them. Then getting down to the end here, as far as like packing all of this stuff goes, I'm really big into using Ziploc bags. I pack all of my shampoo, conditioner, hair care products, skincare products in a plastic bag because you never know what's going to spill. I take extras with me in case if something does spill, then I can put them in a clean one for coming home or whatever. So I always put everything into one of these gallon plastic bags, and I bring extras. Then we use loofahs here, so I don't love to take wet loofahs around because I think that no matter how much you squeeze them out, they're always going to still leak. So I go to Walmart, Target, whatever it may be, and buy the 99-cent loofahs. Got one for Josh and myself. And then if you're going someplace where you are flying there, gonna stay there for like a week, and then you're gonna fly back, you can just throw it away when you're done with that week because it was 99 cents, not a huge deal, at least in my opinion. But if you want to save it, or if you're going someplace and you're like staying in multiple different places, like multiple different hotels or Airbnbs, and you're gonna be going from place to place, bring a smaller plastic bag because you can literally just take this thing, stuff it in the plastic bag, and zip it up. And then you know it won't leak in your bag. So that is another tip. You can bring extras of those too if you want. But that's to ensure that nothing gets like really, really wet. You can stick it right in this bag too if you want, but I don't like everything to get soaking wet. Then as far as like taking care of your hair goes, if you're going to curl it or straighten it, whatever, I think it goes without saying that you should try to stick to one tool. So I will just be bringing my hair straightener because I know I can curl my hair with it. I know I can, get any like bumps out. I can crimp my hair with it. I can do whatever with this basically. Find out if the hotel or whatever you have has a hair dryer if you're somebody that dries your hair. If not, they do sell like travel size hair dryers if you want to go out and buy one of those. If not, I guess you can just suck it up and bring your own. But the last thing I did want to talk about is this super awesome, I was so excited for it when it came in the mail. This is a makeup bag. And I am in love with it. So it looks like this on the inside. It has 2 zippers in case you want to put like smaller items in it, or like Q-tips, cotton balls, whatever, cotton rounds. And what you do is you like just put all of your makeup into the center of this thing, and I will show you it in a different view, like over top. So basically what you're gonna do is just put all of your products in here that you would be bringing on your trip. I don't know what it is, maybe you have some teeny things in these or whatever, but whatever, you put all of your makeup products in, and then brushes, whatever you want. You pull these 2 drawstrings together. How freaking cool is this? Pull them together, push it down, get all the air out. Stuff these cords into this little pocket right here. There's a little pocket. Then you Velcro it up, and all your makeup is in this little pouch. How freaking cool is that? I was so excited. And then when you get to your destination and you don't want to like fiddle through and try to find all your makeup, you know, that's always annoying in my opinion. I always like lose stuff because I'm trying to find everything. You just open it up and all your makeup is laying right out there, and throughout the whole week you can just open it up and you have like a little placemat basically of makeup, and then you just drawstring it, set it to the side, whatever. I don't know about you guys, but this was like the best makeup bag I could ever invest in, and I'm pretty sure it was only like $10, maybe a little bit over $10. I got it on Amazon. I will put the link to it down below if it's still available. So that is it for my tips and tricks as far as packing your toiletries and makeup for traveling. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope I could help you find a new way to pack your stuff to make it a little bit easier on you this summer. I know I'm super excited to utilize a lot of these tips for my summer trips. If you're going somewhere cool this summer, I would love to hear about it down below. I am always super excited when it's this time of year and it's vacation season and beach season and just lots of different weekend trips and whatever it is. I'm just so excited. I love traveling, and I would love to hear your travel adventures for the summer down below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. I post new videos most Wednesdays, and if you are subscribed, you'll be able to find a video in your subscription feed on Wednesdays from me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!